Okay, we're over at GoToMath.com, visiting India. I promise I won't talk about that again this time. Talk about something else, like 5.1. Are you kidding me? What is this? Some kind of joke? Holy smoker-roonies. I think I will talk about something else. X to the 11th plus 9x to the 10th. If you've got an interesting story, you can always leave a comment at this wherever this video's at and on my YouTube channel. I'd like to hear it. I'm sure maybe a lot of other people would. Okay, let me spend 15 minutes writing this out. We got x to the 11th plus 9x to the 10th plus 21 x to the 9th, let's see, plus 9x to the 8th, plus 2x, plus 13. What a wave. That's a wave line. X plus 3. Okay, so this is the problem. And now we're going to, normally I just go from the problem that we just seen on the page to this. But I tell you, I get some complaints sometimes of skipping steps. What was that? And anyway, so I know I can do this problem probably in 5 minutes. So that's the reason I'm not skipping any steps. Usually if the problem takes more than 10 minutes, I need to get the problem done within 10 minutes, I've found. And if it takes more than 10, then I start skipping steps. X goes into x to the 11th. We're going to have x to the 10th. And then multiply that. It's going to give us x to the 11th. And then 3x to the 10th power. I mean, there are just problems in calculus that you got no other choice. So that's 0. What do we got going on here? And I'm debating, I'm doing a course in differential equations just for the fact that some of those problems are way too long. I guess I could work some real basic stuff. So we have x goes into 6x to the 10th. We're going to say plus 6x to the 9th. Right, 6x to the 9th. So that's going to be 6x to the 10th. And then 6 times 3 is 18. X to the 9th. I need to find out what that noise was a minute ago. It sounded pretty important. It's probably not a good time. Find more of... who cares? I'm about to delete that app off my phone. Damn Facebook. I've had enough of Facebook. 21. Let's see, 21 over 18. That's 2,3. I first started using Facebook back in 2003 or 2. I'm trying to remember. Might have been 2. And kind of grown out of it by 2009. And it seemed like all my friends were just now getting into it by 2009. And I was done with it. Finished. So I was considered to be an outcast. We got x goes into 3x to the 9th. That's going to be 3x to something to the 8th. Yeah. So we're going to have 3x to the 9th plus 9x to the... something is not right here. See, I looked at that number and it looks like a 5. That's how I make mistakes. Something is definitely, wow. I need to put placeholders here. I'm just now realizing that. We haven't really got to it yet, but it could cause an issue. Yeah. What do we got here? This is an 8. And an 8. When I say like placeholders, I mean like 0x to the 7th. Oh my god. Alright, we're just going to continue on. We're going to march on here. 3 times 3 is... So we got minus, that's going to be 0, 0. We're going to be left with a 2x here. X goes into this, that's going to be plus 2. And what happened to this guy? Oh, because that's going to be, that was 0, plus 13. So that's going to make that 2x. Tell me what this is going to turn out to be. And then 6 minus, that's going to be 3, 4, 4 is 7, right? Trying to get everything on the screen here. Okay, it looks like x to the 10th plus 6x to the 9th plus 3x to the 8th plus 2 plus, and then it'll be 7 over x plus 3. Alright, let's see what we got. X to the 10th plus 6x to the 9th plus 3x to the 8th plus 2 plus 7 over x plus 3. Uh-oh. Yeah, 7 over x plus 3. Okay, we got it. Man, it's messed up. Alright, wherever we go to math.com, that was 5.1. God knows what 5.2 looks like. We're going to find out.